I want to tell you about this active bioenzymatic odor and stain eliminator. This is kind of mind blowing. Active actually sent this to me in exchange for telling you about it, and I'm thrilled to be able to do so. This is a product that you can use whether you have dogs or cats or whatever type of pet you have, and whether they're having accidents inside the house or outside the house on wood floors or tile or carpet on the furniture, you name it. You can use this anywhere. And it doesn't have to be a dog. It can be cat, or it could be kids. It could be your clothes because you can use it on fabrics. I am just blown away by it. How this works is the fact that it has triple enzymes in it that help to remove and eliminate odors. It is just works fabulously. It also uses a probiotics basically that go in and eat the bacteria that are causing that odor. So whether it's from feces or urine or vomit or you name it, chocolate or coffee, you just shake it up. You have to remember to shake it up and then turn it on either a spray that is a direct spray or a broad spray and let it sit there. Depending on what type of surface you are putting it on, whether it be carpet or upholstery, if it's fabric, any of those things, you want to test it first on a small section just to make sure that there's not going to be any interactions with the dye that's used in that particular piece of material. If it passes the color test, then go ahead and use it on a stain wherever it is. You treat different surfaces in different manners, and it explains that on the back. If you're using it on carpet or fabrics, you're going to spray it on those materials and let it sit there for 10 to 15 minutes and then blot it up. If you're putting it on hard surfaces, you only need to leave it there for 5 minutes and then wipe it up. If you're using it outside on different surfaces, including concrete, it may take 15 to 20 minutes, and you can use a scrub brush to help it. So it gives all the information on what type of surface you're going to put it on and how long to leave it on and things like that. If you have a real stubborn stain or odor that you're trying to get rid of, it may take more than one treatment. So for me, the reason I specifically love this is I have 2 cats that keep going back to the same places to urinate on the carpet. And it's so annoying because cat urine really stinks. And if it soaks into a carpet, it really is tough to get rid of that odor. And again, how this works is that the probiotics will go in there and eat the bacteria that's causing that odor. And it will work on really stubborn stains that have been there for a long time. So it's not just going to work on fresh stains. Yes, it's easier on the fresh stains in that it will only take one treatment, hopefully. But if it's been there for a long time, you still can get rid of those stains using this. It just may take several treatments to do so. This is pet and kid friendly, so you don't need to worry about that. It's a great big bottle. It's 32 ounces, so that's exciting. It will last a long time. It's a fabulous, fabulous product. And Active has a really, really great customer service department if you ever have any questions. And I really am thrilled to have this, especially for the odor of the cat urine. Oh my goodness. But the stain eliminator is also incredibly cool as well.